Once logged in, you can access the Spec Assist dashboard, where you can see My Projects, Recent Files, the Product Selector, and Quick Links. Search functionality is front and center to get you what you want as quickly as possible. Direct access to your projects using the drop-down menu to switch between them, then clicking on the tabs across the top to access the content you require. If you need to download a file you recently viewed, it's right there on your dashboard. Simply select the one you want or select them all. If you have certain criteria a product needs to fulfill and you're not sure which is the best option, use the Product Selector filter to showcase the most suitable options. Or if you know you need a certain test report, specification manual, or CAD file, click on the quick link to go directly to downloads. And in the event you can't find what you need, click on My Consultant to find out exactly who you can reach out to. Everything you need, all in one easy-to-navigate dashboard. And it's all at specifyaws.com.au.